Hi everyone, so this is our asynchronous video for what we did in class today, and today is October 5th and 6th. So of course you need to always make it up to the warm-up, and for your warm-up today I want to look at the questions that we did, because as we're looking at our moon phases we need to think about the percentage of the moon that is being lit. And so in this particular one it's a waxing gibbous because it's on the right side, and so gibbous moons would be any percentage 51% to 99%. Because it's more than half but not quite full. This B is a crescent moon and it's waning because it's on the left, and a percentage for that would be anything 1% to 49% because crescent moons are less than half. So you could have had 25%. C is a new moon, so that would be 0%. D is one of the quarter moons. It's actually the first quarter because it's lit on the right. It's waxing, so that would be 25%. And this full moon, E, would be 100%. So today we made sure that we turned in our moon phase gizmo. We finished our lunar INB, interaction active notebook, so you'll need to take care of that. It's number 1. Number 2, we did a lab, moon on a stick. So if you're at home, this is when you're going to need your little model, and you're going to need to follow the directions and complete that. The next thing is, after you did the moon on the stick lab, you were going to need to answer, there's 5 questions in a Google form to see if you understand that. And then we have the Earth Cycles test review. For you guys, that's going to be due next class period. Next class period will tidy up all the things lunar, and you actually have a quiz on it, so make sure you have that lecture notes done from the INB, because that will be helpful for you. And then we'll go over and get ready because you guys will have a test on Friday for A block and next Monday for B block. So if you look in Google Classroom and you scroll down to today's date, here's your interactive notebook. Complete all the questions there. It's pretty self-explanatory. Here's your lab, moon on a stick. These images here kind of show you what you're going to be looking for, how you'll see the lit in the shaded part. Join me for tutoring if you need help with that. It's at 2 o'clock every day. And then these are the 5 questions you'll need to turn in for your daily grade. And then here you go with your test review. Please make sure you do your answers in a different color. So have a great day. Bye-bye.